transfer nyingine. Haya basi. Awali nilikuwa nimekuahidi kwamba kuna taarifa ya shule ya Anjengo ambayo inafanya vizuri kwenye michezo. Shule hii sasa inafanya maandalizi yake kabambe kwa ajili ya mashindano ya shule yanayokuja. Na kuacha na taarifa hii, endelea kuwa na utazamaji mwema.
We have prepared ourselves adequately for these games. Guys, in Anjengo here, this is the best school to be because according to the minutes we are taking, make us to be the best fighters so far for this game.
Hii rugby imenitoa mbali. Rugby imekuwa passion kwangu, imenifanya na wakad. Unajua una wakad kwa class pia, hapa kwa field pia unajitolea. Tu vile unajitolea kwa field pia unajitolea kwa class. Sasa imenifunza ku work hard both sides. And my parents na coach wangu ndo walinimotivate nika nacheza hii kitu.
My name is John Allo. I work in this school as a school bursar. I'm also equally an old boy of this school. We have supported the team by providing all they need. Mr. Masime is the current principal of this school, Anjengo Secondary. So far, he has really impacted the lives of our students positively in terms of co-curricular activities. And it is evident that we are moving on well in terms of these activities and these sports.
Majina ni Ivan Aluda. Mimi ndo part of the coaching team ya Anjengo Friends School. Na penye tumefika sasa hii nasema imekuwa too hard training. Coaching na wanafunzi wamekuwa wakifanya kazi pamoja. Na I think penye tumefika ni it's all about hard work and discipline. Na going forward, the nationals, najua teams zimejitayarisha, lakini the same way nasema sisi tunakuja kuchukua kikombe. Na East Africa pia tunaenda kama number 1. Hiyo slot ya kwanza ndio yetu. So I think hakuna competition huko. We are the best team. And I know by our preparations we're going to take that cup.
My name is Dan Otieno, a teacher at Anjengo Secondary School, also head of games and co-curricular department. In the department in Anjengo, we offer football, soccer for boys and girls, handball boys and girls, rugby boys and girls, basketball boys and girls, indoor games, and we also take part in athletics. In term 2 again, we have been lucky and also favored again that we represented, Migori County represented 2 teams, that is rugby girls and rugby boys, for the championship in Kisii.
My name is Mr. J.J. Masime, principal of Anjengo Mixed Secondary School. And this year I'm a very proud principal because our rugby team, which we started last year, has managed to qualify for the nationals, which are going to be held in Kisii School. As a principal, I want to say that I've been associated with rugby for long, and it is not my first time to be at the national level. At the national level, I've been a coach, I've been a referee, but now I'm happy that I'm going back there as a principal. It's really unfortunate that some schools are using non-students, but personally as a CEO, I insist on using genuine students. And these are a very important outlet for the students, having been in class all through. And our team, though young, having started last year, we are not going to be underdogs.
Oh, kakine no oki. Oh, kakine no oki. Oh, kamate mateko. Oh, kamate mateko. Oh, zindeke buru rare mateko. Oh, ua kamate na singitera.